Dr. Mitty is an ordinary man who lives a mundane life with his overbearing wife. To escape his dull reality, Mitty frequently daydreams about exciting and heroic adventures. In his fantasies, he becomes a daring pilot, a brilliant surgeon, and a fearless fighter pilot, among other thrilling persons. In reality, Mitty struggles with small, everyday tasks and is often ridiculed or overlooked. Despite his daydreams providing him with a sense of accomplishment and excitement, he remains unfulfilled in his real life. The story contrasts Mitty's vibrant inner world with his luster external existence, highlighting the tension between dreams and reality. It's a poignant exploration of escapism, imagination, and self identity.